Something that is ever present and something that will eventually keep evolving as time progresses. So if you are new to the technological landscape, you may not be familiar with this, but I'll give you a brief explanation of what's happening so far. So about 3 to 4 years ago, there was an explosion regarding something that would change the landscape of tech forever, and it's called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. This technological advancement brings the two areas of tech and hardware together in an effort to make complex, repetitive tasks a bit more easier to process and understand. And it's a significant change from what you usually expect. Computers were the devices that usually took the brunt of the task, and it was usually hardware that pushed most of the power and dealt with the processing of these tasks. Nowadays, it's a merging of technology, hardware as well as software. So the basis of this video is in regards to a notification that I received recently in regards to two giants, including updates in regards to their AI program. Canva being one of them, and I am a part of their beta program. I signed an NDA, which means that I can't reveal much to you, but basically they have begun to work on their engine, and all I can tell you is that the features are pretty good. As the program comes to an end and the final product is released, I will definitely tell you more about it. Google has a Gemini AI engine that it incorporates now, and if you want to get more information about that, you can just type it in Google search bar. It's really similar to ChatGPT. You can ask it questions and get responses in real time. What are your thoughts on these two AI powerhouse companies releasing these updates at this time? Let me know in the comments. Before I go, if you want to join the beta program of Canva, you have until the 22nd of August to jump on board and benefit from the offerings. Catch you in the next video.